Welcome to the channel, everyone. My name is Kevin Tate. Glad to be here with you all today. And today we'll be going over the FBD 5556X series, troubleshooting the UPB, that's the upper power board. These are just some quick steps that you could use when troubleshooting issues occur on a FBD 55 series machine or 56 series machine. First thing in troubleshooting the UPB, be sure that all LED lights on the upper board should be solid green under normal operation. If you have dim or off LED lights, check each test point and verify the tolerances are within 5% of plus or minus 15 DC voltage. And if you haven't seen the previous videos to this, which are going over the set points on the FBD upper power board, you can go to the FBD playlist on the channel and you can see that video, and that will go over showing you all of the test points and everything. I may have time during this just to show you a brief picture of the test points, but we'll see. So next on that, troubleshooting the UPB on the old board, D16 blinks when 5 volts is present. On the new board, it doesn't have an indication light on that for that 5 volts present. If the 5 volts is not present, check the harness for continuity and verify the lower power board DC test points. That'll be in a future video for the lower power boards. You can also replace the harness if the harness is bad. If you check continuity on your harness and you are not getting good readings, you can replace the harness. You can get that part number by calling FBD tech support, and they'll be able to give you the correct part number for that harness. You can replace the upper board if the harness and the lower power board are okay, or if they're good, then you can go ahead and replace the upper board. But I would do that after checking with tech support, either from our website or from FBD, the manufacturer, and see what they advise as well, because those power boards are pretty expensive. So if you don't need to replace it, you should be able to tell by speaking with tech support. Here's an image of that those test points that they were speaking of in this troubleshooting the upper board. This is all in the manual, by the way, the service manual, which I'm gonna put down in the description. I'll put a link to this service manual down in the description for you. But this is for those who didn't see the test points video. This is the information that I went over on that video for all of the test points. But for the most part, that's all we have for your troubleshooting on that upper power board. Hopefully this is helpful to you. If it is, please like, share, and comment, and subscribe to the channel. I'd like to thank all the members, all the channel members, all the website members, and always our A-team members. Thank you very much. Take care. See you on the next video.